What's going on, guys? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins back at it again with a new video. But before we get started, be sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Right now, I just wanted to tell you guys, everyone is always looking for one trading style that's going to make them successful in the stock market. Everybody's looking for one trick that's going to be a game changer. The thing is, you have to become adaptable in the stock market. You have to be able to have more than one trick up your sleeve, especially in this current market condition. You can't trade the same way for every stock. You have to adjust your position size. You can't go into every stock with the same amount of money. You can't risk the same amount of money all the time. You also have to practice risk management. What's the most amount of money you're willing to lose per each trade, depending on this amount of money that you put in? Um, Also, understanding that the news headlines could affect your trade at any time, especially with Trump tweeting, with the China trade war. There's so many things going on right now that's making this market condition ideal for a day trader, but it's not making it ideal for a beginner, if you understand what I'm saying. So also always check to see where the news is, how's the news affecting the stock that you're in. Also, set alerts. I see a lot of people, not even in my chat room, but everywhere. People don't set alerts. How are you guys going to keep track of the stock's movement? Look at my alerts. I have alerts for going upwards on Tesla and below. Same thing for every stock. I want to keep track of the stock without me actually looking at it. When the alert goes off, it actually tells me if the stock is above a certain price or below a certain price. Also, if you're looking at any swing trades, look at the 1 year chart. A lot of people are scared to check different charts. Look at the 1 year chart. See which direction the chart is pointing. Look to see if there's any resistance levels. This is how you get into swing trades. There's a resistance at 126 on Tesla. We're heading upwards. Sometimes people would get into a short position if the stock is pointing up on the 1 year chart. It makes no sense to me. You guys are supposed to look at the charts, go towards the direction that the stock is pointing from. But enough of that. I just wanted to let you guys know that you guys must be adaptable when you guys want to get started in the stock market. You guys can't be a one trick pony. You can't do the same trick every day and expect to be profitable. Yesterday, I was looking at ticker Roku. It completely slipped my mind. I had all my alerts in, but I was actually trading Tesla. This was yesterday morning. I could never forget this. This was yesterday morning on Tesla, on Roku. I was in a Tesla swing trade, so I was kind of preoccupied with that. But I had all my alerts set for Roku. We had a pre-market resistance. I think it was like 1270 or something like that. 1270. I'm just going to put the mark over there. The stock hit the 1270 mark, immediately rejected it. I think we made a new high of 113, rejected that area and fell down. I'm like, okay, maybe Roku's a little like it given up all its gains that it had the previous day. So I'm like, I looked at Tesla and I was making profit on Tesla. I'm like, I'm the type of person that likes to be micro focused. So I went to Tesla, focused on Tesla, locked in my gains on that. And I completely ignored Roku. By the time I look back at Roku, all my alerts are going off. Um, all my alerts were going off and Roku was above the 113th level. I actually took a few trades in and out going upwards, but today's lesson is not about that. Whenever you see a stock trend up within the day and hold its gains, more than likely the next day it's going to try to make a squeeze. I think this is the closing bell over here. Closing bell yesterday at 4 o'clock was 117. I actually told my students that Roku was actually looking good for a swing trade. Why is that? Because Roku gapped up $9. It didn't sell off. And it was recently upgraded. Yesterday was upgraded to, I believe, 120. So I felt like those are all good signs, especially since we haven't reached 120 yet, to actually get into a swing trade from Roku. And luckily, Roku actually gapped up from 117 to 121 in the morning. And that is actually where I took profits. Why did I take profits? Because I noticed we had resistance over here. The stock was going sideways. Whenever you see a stock go sideways, that is good indication that there's an equal amount of buyers and sellers. When the stock is going sideways, there's an equal amount of buyers and sellers. Someone is going to win the war. Now, if the stock has gapped up, most likely the bears are going to win the war. And I actually got in for a short position on the break of the support. I got in for a short position over here and actually got out. Actually, I got out over here. As you can see, there was a bounce over here off the support. The support. I see the MACD was going sideways. I got out, locked in a little bit over $1,600. If you want to check it out on my Instagram page, Wall Street Assassins. My group is actually killing it. We are rocking out every day in these choppy markets. I'm loving the volatility right now, and I feel like the market's only heating up. Stay tuned for the next video. I know I've been gone for a while. Keep on subscribing. Subscribe to this video right now. Leave a comment below on whatever video topic you want me to address. I mean, whatever video topic you want me to address. Leave a comment below on it, and I'll do the video on it. I'm going to start trying to get more involved with the YouTube thing. So stay tuned for the next video and enjoy your day.